Hello and welcome to another video. I am Ezekielo. So today we are checking out an interesting pair of truly wireless earbuds by a company named Earfun. These originally were an Indiegogo campaign which was very successful. I'll be throwing links down in the description section for you all to go check them out. You can pick them up in two color variants, which are black and white. Well, as you can see here, I have the black variant with me. So let's unbox these quickly and see how good they are. Some of you might remember in my previous video, I talked about the OnePlus Bullet Wireless version 2 earbuds and what OnePlus should have done. Well, here is a company thinking along that line. So in the box you get the earbuds themselves, the charging case, and the pack containing USB-C charging cable, and then you get some extra ear tips to find the right fit for your ears. You also get a user manual and warranty card. These are one of the lightest pair of earbuds I've ever used, coming in at a total weight of 60 grams. One thing I like about these earbuds is that they are not fingerprint magnets, as their plastic materials got a matte finish and it's not glossy, so these don't pick up fingerprints easily. They also sit very firm in their charging case and they won't fall off easily, as there is a strong magnet that holds them in place. As you can see, the earbuds themselves and their charging case are all made of plastic. One thing to bear in mind is that the charging case is slightly bulkier than I expected, but it is definitely nowhere near the size of the Powerbeats Pro carrying case. Their charging case is equipped with USB Type-C, which is future-proof and definitely expected. Upon putting these on the first time, I got a very snug fit with the pre-installed ear tips, but you can always change them with the extra ear tips provided to get the most comfortable fit. I would have preferred touch controls on the side of the earbuds instead of the traditional buttons that you have to press, as it gets quite uncomfortable when pressing them, as you end up pushing them further into your ear canals. These are IPX7 waterproof, which is a major plus, as these will survive sweat, splashes of water and rain, or even full submersion, so you have to bear that in mind. Coming to sound quality, each of these earbuds are equipped with 6mm graphene drivers, so they pack a lot of punch, and the treble and vocals are really clear with decent mids and soundstage with lots of bass, as these are mostly geared towards the average listeners. At max volumes there is little to no distortion, and you have to bear in mind that these get really loud and the bass can get a little overwhelming, especially at high volumes. So that's one thing you have to bear in mind. Coming to battery life, you get up to 6 hours of playtime on the earbuds themselves. The earbuds carrying case comes with a 500mAh battery, which provides an additional 24 hours of playtime for a total of about 30 hours battery life, which is really above average. So you don't have to worry about battery life. They are very good on these. Call quality was pretty decent. The person at the other end could hear me quite clearly, although they pointed out that I sounded a little bit far away, which may be as a result of the mics being a few inches away from my lips. Another thing to take note of is that you can use only the right earbud separately, while the left earbud sits in the carrying case, but not the other way around, as the left earbud always has to be paired up with the right one in order to function. One thing I observed is that the magnetic top cover of the charging case is a little bit loose. I just wish it was a little bit held firmly. As you can see, it's very easy to open the cover. These use Bluetooth 5.0, so connectivity is very stable. They've got a listening range of about 15 meters before they begin to disconnect from your device. I didn't experience any noticeable latency when watching movies on Netflix and YouTube, as majority of the time the audio was in sync. One of my favorite features of these earbuds is wireless charging. Yes, you can easily juice these up with a Qi wireless charging pad, so you don't have to worry about connecting cables all the time, which is a major plus, as that is a feature you get on top tier true wireless earbuds. The earbuds take about 1.5 hours to fully charge, while the case takes about 2 hours via USB-C and about 2.5 hours via wireless charging to fully get juiced up. The charging case provides a ridiculous 4,000 hours of standby time when compared to most earbuds that average about 1/10 of that. So you can be rest assured that the case is not going to easily discharge when not in use over long periods of time. These are one of the best true wireless earbuds I've ever tested on this channel. They've got wireless charging, IPX7 waterproofing, great sound quality, awesome battery life. What's there not to like about them? So I'll be throwing links down in the description section for you all to go check these out and pick them up right now, because these are going to retain for about $99 once the campaign is finished. Feel free to check out other nifty gadgets on this channel. I am Ezekielo, and I'll talk to you all in the next video. Adios.